Welcome to ZooZoo Funhouse. Today, we will meet our friendly domestic animals and learn how they help us every day. Are you ready? Let's go! First animal is cow. Cows are very helpful. They give us milk to drink and make yummy butter and cheese. Say bye to cow. Here comes a buffalo. Buffaloes are strong animals. They give us milk and help farmers plow the fields. Say bye to buffalo. Next domestic animal is a goat. Goats are friendly animals. They give us milk and meat, and their milk is very healthy. Say bye to goat. Let's meet sheep. Sheep are soft and cute. They give us wool to make warm clothes in winter. Say bye to sheep. Here comes horse. Horses are strong and fast. They help us carry loads and ride. Say bye to horse. Next animal is camel. Camels are called the ship of the desert. They carry people and goods across the sand. Say bye to camel. Let's meet dog. Dogs are our loyal friends. They guard our homes and love to play. Say bye to dog. Here comes cat. Cats are cute pets. They catch mice and love to cuddle. Say bye to cat. Let's meet some pigs. Pigs are playful animals. They give us meat and they love to roll in the mud. Say bye to pig. Cluck, cluck! Time to meet hen. Hens are helpful. They give us eggs, which are full of energy. Say bye to hen. Let's meet our buddy Rooster. Roosters are early risers. They wake us up in the morning with their cock-a-doodle-doo. Say bye to Rooster. Let's quack together with duck. Ducks are fun swimmers. They give us eggs and meat. Say bye to duck. Here comes turkey. Turkeys are interesting animals. They are raised for meat and make funny gobbling sounds. Say bye to turkey. Let's meet Fluffy Rabbit. Rabbits are soft and cuddly. Their fur is used to make soft clothes. Say bye to Rabbit. Hello, Mr. Elephant. Elephants are big and strong. They help carry heavy loads and are very kind. Say bye to elephant. All these domestic animals help us in so many ways. They give us food, clothes, help, and love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ZooZoo Funhouse for more fun learning adventures. Now, let's meet some cute animals. Let's go! Farms are home to many different cute baby animals. Let's visit the farm and learn about all the little ones you can find in the farm. Look at this little chick. Baby chicks are soft and say, cheep cheep. Can you say cheep cheep? Great job! Oh, this is a baby cow! A baby cow is called a calf. Calves loves to drink milk. What sound does a cow make? That's right, moo moo! Ah, look at this fluffy lamb! Baby sheep are called lambs. Lambs say, "Ba-ba!" Can you say, "Ba-ba"? Look at this tiny piglet. Baby pigs love to roll in the mud. They say, "Oink oink." Can you oink like a pig? Oh, look at the ducklings. Baby ducks love swimming. Ducklings say, "Quack, quack." Can you quack like a duck? A baby rabbit is called a kitten. It has long ears and a fluffy tail. Can you hop like a rabbit? These are baby turkeys. They're called poults. They say, "Gobble, gobble." Can you gobble like a turkey? This is a baby goose. It's called a gosling. Gosling says, "Honk, honk." Can you honk like a goose? This baby goat is called a kid. Kids love to jump and climb. Can you jump like a goat? Ah, a puppy. Puppies love to run and play. They say, "Woof, woof." Can you bark like a puppy? Look at this tiny kitten. Kittens love to cuddle. Kitten, say meow. Can you meow like a kitten? This is a baby llama. Baby llama is called a cria. It has soft wool and loves to run. Can you run like a llama? Look at this baby deer. A baby deer is called a fawn. It has white spots. Can you tiptoe like a fawn? This is a baby donkey. It's called a foal. It says hee-haw. Can you say hee-haw? Look at this baby hedgehog. It's called a hoglet. It loves to curl into a ball. Can you curl up like a hedgehog? This is a baby raccoon. A baby raccoon is called a kit. They love to climb. Can you pretend to climb like a raccoon? Oh, a baby squirrel. Baby squirrels are also called kittens. They love to jump from tree to tree. Can you pretend to climb? This was fun! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ZooZoo Funhouse.